Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode on this Polk Investment Playlist series here on the channel. I'll try to make this video quick and short like the previous episodes. The recording conditions are not optimal. Today is a very windy, rainy, sunny day here in Lisbon. I am in my room. I don't have a lot of space. My lens, I don't have the correct lens. It's super zoomed out. I'm using here a 5-10 minute break from my work to record this video because we're already getting close to the end of the month and I want to keep sticking with the consistency of this playlist. So first things first, let's open the portfolio. Full disclaimer, this is not investment advice. I do me, you do you. I just do this for entertaining purposes. I have other portfolios that I don't fully disclose. If you follow this channel for quite some time, or this series at least, you will see that each month I'm contributing and I'm publicly disclosing everything that I'm doing. I'm not selling any stocks. This is as a long-term horizon, and for now we have a total worth of the portfolio of 2,830 euros. The amount invested was 2,224. You can see the slower number, and our return, if I were to sell all of my position right now to retire, let's say, I would have a total return of 27%, which is super nice. We started this playlist contributing 40 euros per month. Right now we've been contributing more, not always was this the case. I like to see my portfolio I like to open it, and here in the video is very easy for me to be very confident because it is in the green, but in the market is very exuberant right now. So what would you be expecting? I have other episodes where you see me opening and I am like 10% down, 5% down. It's always a bit frustrating, but as long as we stick to our strategy of dollar cost averaging through the market, eventually we'll be investing at the market tops and we'll be investing at the market bottoms. Hopefully it will average out and we'll have a good return instead of sticking to a normal savings account where we're losing purchasing power by the month. So we'll see here the positions. Alibaba is down 12.88%, Google is up 42%, Amazon is up 84%, Intel is up 27%, the ETFs are also up. I think only my shiny stocks are down right now, and we will see the allocation of portfolio. So we have a total of 14 assets here. You can see that the majority of it is distributed in ETFs, exchange traded funds. So these are baskets of stocks. The first one compiles the 500 biggest companies in the US, and the second one is the information technology. So this is a more specialized ETF. So you have here Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Intel. So all the companies that work in the information technology sector for that matter. Then we have Google, we have Meta, so these are big portions of my portfolio right now. So 8% and 7%. If something were to happen to these companies, this would heavily impact my portfolio. And you can see here another ETF, Vanguard, All World. So this one is even more diversified, and yeah, so you can see here not all of them were amazing positions. You can see here Farfetch luckily was a very tiny portion of my portfolio. It completely collapsed, 99.72% loss, but here we are. Let's see the pies overall throughout the month. So we started this series on the January of 2022, and you can see that if we had invested all of our money back into this distribution, so the S&P 500 ETF, information technology sector, Google, Alphabet, Tencent and Alibaba would be down a lot. So we would have a return of 18%. And this one is pretty positive, but maybe we can see here August of 2023 it's down 2%. So if I had invested all my money in this specific pie that I created in August, I would be down 2%. Let me just see what kind of holding. So here 15% of that contribution was in Farfetch, and that was a loss. Luckily we have other ones that are contributing positively. So let's go, keep scrolling, and today's pie I already created so that it's gonna be easier just for me to show you. So it's gonna be 30% for the S&P 500 information technology focused ETF, 25% to all world ETF. So I'm really diversifying here because I'm not finding any great opportunities in the stock market. By the time I'm recording, I'm also lacking a lot of time, so I'm just distributing my funds and just contributing for for the sake of the strategy. Some months will be like this, some months maybe there will be more or better buying opportunities. Maybe in the crypto market right now it's another different opportunity, but for the purpose of this specific portfolio we will stick to it. Of course I'll be also adding to my shiny stocks even though they are down, so I'm buying them technically cheaper. So we go here, though we don't need to edit buy. Actually, let me see. So these from the previous returns, it will average a 13.68% average annual return, which is not bad, even though my portfolio now is performing way above this, because this is more a conservative buy in the spectrum of speculative investing. Let's put it in this perspective. So invest, I'm gonna be investing 120 euros. I think actually, let me just check really quick. Yeah, last month I invested 80 euros, and the month before I had invested 150. I remember last month I already thought the market was overvalued, but as you can see it's up 4%, and I think this time I will be investing, because I wanted to be investing 150 euros per month more or less, but I will stick to the 120, and hopefully during this year we will have a correction, or I will have a far better timing. But then again, you cannot really time the market, so here we are, confirming the buy. Okay, not sure if all of the positions will execute as I speak, so just let's wait a tiny bit. Okay, 29%, 30, and sorry if you hear some background noise, there's a lot of wind outside. 43%, and the other markets are probably not open right now. Yeah, exactly. And this is how the portfolio is looking. So 2,921 euros. Maybe the next time I update it, we are already reaching the 3,000 mark. It would be very crazy for me to invest 3,000 euros straight away out of my pocket with my current salary, but if you do this phased out throughout the years and throughout the months, you can easily achieve, not that this is a big value for most of you, but it's really amazing how small amounts, if you do it consistently, you can really add up to a big sum. Having that said, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.